Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Cilla's Stuff and Things. Today, Abigail and I are gonna make no-bake Cheerio bars. Let's get cooking. So for this, you're gonna need Cheerios. Point to the Cheerios. Here, point. Cheerios. You're gonna need peanut butter, honey, and we're adding chocolate chips because that's one of Abigail's favorites. You're also gonna need parchment paper and any kind of cooking spray. Can you get it? Good job. Go all the way. You have to look at what you're doing. Okay, now you're gonna dump that in your bowl. Pour that in the bowl. Nice. All right, now we have to get our peanut butter and our honey, and we're gonna put that in a pan on the stove. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hey, you need to hold it and watch. You don't want me to dump honey all over you, do you? So this might be something fun for you guys to do with your kids. So what better way than to make something that you don't even have to bake? We don't like to bake around here. We just like to eat things, but we don't like to bake. Okay, in your pan. You have to, I like the way you're thinking. Okay, then put it in your cup. In your cup. I knew you were gonna try to eat it. Okay, keep going. It doesn't really matter if it comes out perfect or if they're only half interested. She is showing some interest, huh? You like it a little bit, you're gonna love the end result. But just have fun, make it an easy recipe. I get stressed out if I try to do something fancy because you're really not into that. Can you put this in the sink? We're gonna pull down. Careful, sharp pan. Okay, and then put that in the pan. There you go. Okay, it is ready. I'll help you that way we don't get excited and like throw all the Cheerios out of the bowl. So you're just kind of mixing it to coat all the Cheerios with your peanut butter and honey mixture. And then Abby, do you want to add some chocolate chips? Can you pour some of these in there? This is just going to be by the looks of what we want. All right. So keep stirring everything up because you got to coat it all. I forgot to mention we're just using an 8x8 glass pan, and then we put parchment paper. Are you ready? Let's pour it in our pan. Here we go. Come on, you gotta help. Nice. Good job, Abby. We're just kind of pushing it so it gets all even down there. What do you think? It's exciting, huh? Look at you, Miss Baker. No bake, Baker. All right, Abby, we have to put this in the fridge for an hour, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you lick the spoon because we have to have an immediate reward for working, right? Do you wanna lick it? Here, take the spoon. She's like, no, you told me I couldn't eat the whole time. Here you go. Lick the spoon, lick it, lick it. You're gonna put it right here in the fridge. Good job. Push it in there a little bit. Push it. Good job. Shut the fridge. Gentle, gentle. Okay, I need you to take the bowl and put it in the sink. Thank you. So thank you guys so much for joining us today. Did you have fun? I had fun cooking with you, Ab. We will probably have those for a snack later after dessert, after dinner. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, tell everybody hit that thumbs up button. Say subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye. Can you wave bye? Bye.
Is it good? Can I get a thumbs up?